Alright, y'all, good morning and salutations. Today, we got a Zildjian Vetus. This happens to be a really old ride cymbal. But there's a problem with this cymbal right here. There's a crack right there. So we're going to fix this baby up. But before we do, let's give a little sound test. Alright, sounds pretty sturdy, but we don't want that crack in the cymbal whatsoever. Let's fix this baby up. Alright, y'all, we're back with the Zildjian. It has no mark because it's really old. You can tell by the stamp right there. But as you can tell, we repaired the damage. It's now smooth as butter. So let's give this baby a little sound test. Sounds good to me.